The new BJ40 Magic Core electric drive version is the third hybrid model launched by BAIC. In order to demonstrate the powerful off-road performance of the new BJ40 Magic Core electric drive version, BAIC also imitated the 45 degrees extreme hill climbing challenge of the Mercedes-Benz electric Big G and drove an original factory car up a 45 degrees steep hill in the shooting scene. The climbing limit of most off-road vehicles is generally between 30 degrees and 38 degrees. The new BJ40 Magic Core electric drive version successfully completed this difficult task this time, and undoubtedly proved its extreme off-road capabilities once again. In addition, the new BJ40 Magic Core electric drive version is also equipped with an upgraded version of the intelligent electric ATS suitable for all-terrain. Based on large-scale behavioral data, it can cover 4 urban transportation modes, 6 off-road modes, and 1 track. With the mode that makes driving easier, novice users can easily enjoy the fun of off-road in the open air. Looking at other configurations, the new BJ40 Magic Core electric drive version is basically unchanged. It will still offer 5-screen connected cockpit, Queen Copilot, ventilation/heating/massage, Yenfei leisure audio, 3.5 kilowatts external discharge and features. It will also be equipped with a series of L2.5 high-end intelligent driving functions and intelligent parking functions. The new car will be able to provide the luxury, comfort, and technology that users care about most.